Hello everyone. We will go through with the same remaining part or topic of the chapter number 2, noun. Student, we are talking about nouns and their kinds. Nouns and their kinds. Nouns means, as I told you earlier, that the name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea, है ना, is called noun. There are different types of noun: common, proper, collective and abstract. So that student, I have discussed about common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Okay, so we will talk about next topic is abstract noun. Abstract noun, the name of a quality of an action, a state of emotion or a condition is called the abstract noun. In simple language, you can say the name of the quality of an action. That means we can feel or think only. Just like honesty is the best policy. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में हम क्या कह सकते हैं इसको, कि जो चीज़ हम फील करते हैं और उसके बारे में सोचते हैं, ओके, which we can feel or think, that is called abstract noun. Abstract noun means feelings of a person, okay, because non-living things has no feeling. That's why we can say feelings of a person can be described by an abstract noun. Okay, so we can take an example. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty means that is the feeling by someone, right? So that honesty is an abstract noun. Okay, I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. That quality of an action is going on. कि क्या कर रहा है, मैं सच बता रहा हूँ या मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, तो दैट क्या क्या फील कर रहे हैं हम, कि वो बंदा सच बोल रहा है. सच मीन्स ट्रूथ. तो दैट्स truth is an abstract noun. Okay, let's take more example by all. That's state of emotion. State of emotion is also part of the feelings. Like I can see fear in the child. हम बच्चे में क्या देख सकते हैं, डर, है ना, fear factor. So that fear is the feeling, is a negative part of the state of emotions, right? Next, abstract noun is also depend on the condition also. Condition means क्या सिचुएशन ऐसी करंट चल रही है जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हम देख सकते हैं कि वो फीलिंग ऑफ अ पर्सन है. स्लेवरी डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट एनी मोर. ओके, तो देन स्लेवरी मीन्स जो कंडीशन पे हमारा डिपेंड करता है वो हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है. तो दैट इज स्लेवरी इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. तो we can take some more example of abstract noun. That is common noun. How will you change common noun into the abstract noun? That's child. You can see the child देख सकते हो, तुम देख सकते हो. तो that's child converted into childhood, and childhood, बचपन, that is our feelings ना. तो that is an abstract noun. Slave, slavery, young, youth. Friend, friendship. Angry, anger. Beautiful, beauty. Happiness is an abstract noun if we can change into the adjective, because abstract noun can be formed by common noun, adjective and verb. Okay, because if अगर एक्शन वर्ब में हो रहा है, if there will be an action in verb, so that means verb also can be converted into the abstract noun. Invite, invitation. Judge, judgment. Invent, invention. Obey, obedience. Okay, so these are the examples of the abstract noun. Next, I hope let's focus again with the concept of the chapter, that is noun and with their kinds. Common noun, that will be a person, a thing related to the common area like doctor, teacher, student. Okay, proper noun, the proper or the particular name of the thing, animal or the human. Okay, that is proper noun. Collective noun, the noun that we converted into a collection means or a group of a thing, of a person, animal, etc. That is called collective noun. Like an army of soldier. Next, abstract noun, the feelings of a person that can be negative and maybe in positive way. That is called abstract noun, like slavery, childhood, invitation. Okay, I hope your topic is clear about the noun with their categories. We will meet again with new topic. Have a nice day.